So you started your online business, but your sales are flat. So the question is, how do I make my first million? Well, I've worked with dozens of CPG brands and I've helped them do just that. So today, I'm gonna walk you through the 15 laws of marketing, how you can apply them, and how you can make your first million online. Let's jump into it. Law number 1 simply states that sales are a metric of traffic. So if you don't have traffic to your site, you're not gonna have sales. Essentially, the average e-com conversion rate is only 2.5%, which means if you have 1,000 visitors to your site every month, you're only converting 25. So the bottom line is we need to increase traffic to our site to ensure that we increase sales. And the best way to do that is to have a really strong advertising strategy, but then also have a really strong email, SMS, and retargeting strategy to ensure that we don't only get new customers to the site, but we also get our existing customers to continue to come back to convert even more. Law number 2, don't sell to everyone, sell to someone. And essentially what I'm getting to here is you want to be sure to segment your audience based on the action or inaction that they take on your site. For instance, you're going to want to treat brand new customers who have never made a purchase on your site very differently than someone who has made 5, 10, 15, 20 purchases. So you want to take each customer based on their actions on your store down a different consumer journey and maybe have more touch points or less touch points based on the different segments that they're in. Law number 3 is the rule of 7. And essentially, all the rule of 7 is, on average, you have to have at least 7 touch points with a user before they're going to convert. So this is important to remember when you're going after new customers. You want to create a campaign strategy that really brings them down a funnel, that they actually see your brand in different situations and scenarios at least 7 times before they'll actually convert. This can include video ads, static ads, more information about your products. Maybe you get them to sign up for email or SMS. But the main goal here is to have at least 7 touch points with a user on average, and then go for the ask. Law number 4 is creating better landing pages. With modern technology and even AI, you should be creating multiple landing pages for a single product. And when you create these landing pages, you really want to tailor them to the specific audience that you're going after. The main concept here is segment your target audiences and then create specific landing pages that really call out exactly what they're looking for. Law number 5 is social proof. Now, social proof is a great way to increase conversion rates. And all social proof is reviews from your existing customer set, whether that be static reviews that are written out or video reviews. This can be where you're available at retailers. This can also include as seen on, for instance, as seen on Good Morning America or as seen on XYZ website. Social proof is a great way to convert a lot of new customers and new users on your site to more easily convert because, again, you're providing to them that people like me are already purchasing this product. Why aren't I? Law number 6 is above the fold. Again, I see so many brands make this mistake. What you really want to ensure is that on any product page, landing page, email, you want to be sure that the call to action does not require the user to scroll. This is really important to increase conversion rates. The last thing you want is a user landing on your page or opening your email and having to scroll down to actually make the purchase. Be sure that your clear call to action is above the fold. They don't have to scroll and they can take action as easy as possible. Law number 7 is A/B testing. Again, something I don't see used very often, but A/B testing can be a great way to determine what increases conversion rates. This can be as simple as a subject line in an email, different copy in an SMS message, or even testing 2 different landing pages to see which converts better. Law number 8, more clicks equals less sales. All I'm getting to here is the more clicks it takes for a user to have to perform to be able to get to the sale, the more your conversion rate is going to go down. So more clicks equals less sales. For instance, I see a lot of brands make the mistake where their best-selling product, it takes 3, 4, 5, 6 clicks from their homepage to actually adding that product to their cart. The best brands in the world, they make it as easy into 1 or 2 clicks to get from their homepage to putting that bestseller directly in the cart. Law number 9 is direct-to-cart links. Again, elaborating further on reducing that friction and reducing the amount of clicks, direct-to-cart links are a great way for you to run advertising so when a user actually clicks buy now on that ad, they're automatically brought directly to the cart. This reduces so many clicks, so much friction, and allows a user to convert very quickly. The whole idea here is if your ad is good enough, they should know everything they need to know that they would learn on a product page. So let's not have an additional page load, let's not have an additional 2 clicks, let's send them directly to the cart. Law number 10 is more ways to pay. The basics here are you want to provide as many payment gateways as your web provider provides to be able to make conversion more easy for specific users. So for instance, if you're selling on Shopify, have Google Pay, have Apple Pay, have PayPal, have credit card options, have Afterpay, maybe a buy now, pay later service. The more payment options that you provide to a consumer, the more likely they are to convert. Law number 11 is better promotions. Again, see a lot of brands make this mistake, but they repeat the same promotions over and over and over. And this really reduces the amount of conversion rates because consumers become bored with the same promos that are running month after month after month. There are so many great ways that you can introduce promotions that'll increase not only conversion rates, but average order value. For instance, run progressive discounts, where the more the customer spends, the more they save. Try a hidden discount where you actually don't tell the customer what the discount's gonna be until they add 4 or 5 items into their cart. Then they have to apply the coupon code to see and reveal what the actual discount is. There are countless creative ways to utilize promotions. Just don't stick with the same promotion month over month over month. Law number 12 is to create customer flows, customer journeys, tagging customers, and automating the process. Every single major platform that allows you to sell online also allows you to tag customers based on the activity that they take on your site. Similar to segmenting your audience, you want to tag these customers based on the actions that they take on the site, and then you want to create automations based on what actions or inactions they take. For instance, every time you have a new customer come to the site, you should absolutely be tagging them based on the fact that they're a new customer and create automations for emails that they receive, SMS messages that they receive. Bring them down the specific journey that you want and tailor it so that you can increase the conversion rate and the average order value of all new customers. The next law is introducing an affiliate and an ambassador program. These are great ways to turn existing customers that are die-hard fans into promoters. And they will go the extra mile to ensure that they are bringing new customers to your brand. The best part of this is typically the affiliate amount that you'll actually be paying these ambassadors is typically 30 to 50% cheaper than any customer acquisition costs through your new customer acquisition campaigns. So an ambassador or an affiliate program is a great way to bring new customers to the brand and turn your die-hard customers into promoters. Law number 14 is loyalty programs. If you don't have a loyalty program on your site, you're really missing out on increasing average order value. The bottom line is, if you want to keep consumers not just coming back to your brand, but your direct-to-consumer branded website, introduce a loyalty program. Allow them to earn points for every purchase made. Customers love loyalty programs and they will keep coming back for more if you start providing some benefit for making a purchase on your site. This can include things just as simple as points, and the more points you get, the higher discounts you receive, but it also can be free gifts. You can really pick and choose exactly how you want to implement this, but a loyalty program is a great way to keep customers coming back for more. Lastly, just be sure you stay top of mind. This means implementing great SMS strategies, great email marketing strategies, amazing advertising strategies. You want to be sure that any user that converts on your site is getting multiple touch points with your brand every single month. Do not let them forget about you. Try to stay top of mind, and they will keep coming back to buy more. So take these laws, implement them, utilize them in full, every single one, and I promise you, you will take your store to the next level and you will start generating millions.